Not news presents. Hurricane gets grounded. A hurricane gets grounded by Peter, Sam, and Lady. Hurricane number 20, you are grounded. Peter, Sam, now, can I go out for a drive? Yes, can. Don't get yourself a trouble, alright? And I'll be back soon. Do I go to McDonald's? Yeah, sure do. "10 minutes later. That place is so bored right now. What am I going to do? Oh. Right, is that the thing it is? Beep. I go grab them. Let's stop them. Let's do this. When Hurricane got Thomas and Percy. So Thomas and doing grab for Red Rooster. Yeah. How about KFC? Guys. Hurricane, what are you doing with us? So, Percy, you're grounded with Thomas because you always know me at school. So do not get lemon cream error by. So again, you error. Please don't give us an error. So you're being grounded. So you're grounded forever. So need to get out of here right now. Hey, Hurricane, please don't ground on us. They didn't do anything. Actually, Hurricane, get out of here right now. Never. What's going on, Thomas and Percy? So I came to Red Rooster, and then Hurricane tried to ground us for nothing. Hurricane, if it's true, not at all. Yes, he did get up. Okay, fine. I did ground Thomas and Percy because the secret Diesel 10's Guardians. That's the point, Hurricane. That's it. I got to contact Peter, Sam, and Lydia. Tell me what to do. Got right now. Fine. Whatever. Here we go again. Hurricane engine number 20. I dare you ground Thomas and Percy for no reason at all. That's it. You grounded for a week. This is no video games, no TV. Hang over friends near do by time. Yeah, going to room right now. Fine. Screw Peter, Sam, and Lady is one of rubbish. I don't buy to us either.
They're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Yellow and green, red, orange and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, round Tidmouth's sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Thomas, he's the cheeky one. Carly will always get things done. Percy pulls the mail on time. Connor thunders down the line. Sandy really knows her stuff. Diesel, he is strong and tough. Mia wants to help and share. Bruno, he is smart and square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Yellow and green, red, orange and blue. They're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Round Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends.